Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Colleen and this is Pixie Sparkles. That's Pixie. Hey, so we're back and I have an update. But before I show you her face for When the Clock Strikes 12 by Mandie Manzano, I want to show you all something that was very nice about Diamond Art Club's kit this time. I don't know, are you all familiar with static and their drills? And a lot of the time I've had to in the past literally put the drills, sorry, I'm holding the camera. I've literally had to put the drills on dryer sheets before I pour them into the Forever Young trays, and then even when I put them in the Forever Young trays, they'd still seem to have a lot of static on them. So I wanted to show you the drills first, then I'm going to show you When the Clock Strikes 12, the princess's face. So, and then I'm going to hang it up from a distance. First, I'm going to show it to you on my table, and then I'm going to hang it up and we're going to take a look at it from a distance. And I'll also put photos in at the end of the video so that you can see what it looks like, because it may look different on video versus pictures. So anyway, okay, let me just show you these drills. I'll be right back. Okay, here she is. What do y'all think? I'm pretty happy with the results. I was really concerned, but looking at her, I think she's turned out. Diamond Art Club does a great job rendering, and they did with her. It was very shocking yesterday, and I was so afraid of what she was going to turn out to look like. But once again, they knocked it out the park. I mean, I don't think this could have been done any better. And if you look at it up close, you can see where they used like an airbrush technique, or what I would consider, if I were airbrushing and her face, and you would do this color lightly, and then you'd come in with a darker color and do an overlay here and here, and then you'd come in with this color and overlay that, which makes it darker, right? And then doing her cheeks and her eyes and her red lips, that it just makes it just made it better. I mean, in my opinion, as I was doing the white, I was really concerned. And then when I got to this, I was like, I don't know. And then when I was putting these in the container, these colors, I was like, how in the world is this going to work? Like, I second guessed, do I even have the right color? Anyhow, because it was not at all what I expected, but it really turned out, I think it's going to be just fine. It's going to be absolutely okay. And what I'll go in closer and you'll see that Diamond Art Club, when they rendered this, you can see they're using the checkerboard effect, where you place a drill, skip, place a drill, skip, right? And they did it along the edge here with that lighter cream and then the darker here. They also did it in here a little bit, which helps blend it, right? And they did it here. You can see the checkerboard technique with the colors. So that's one of the ways, that's how they pulled this off. I did not know, looking at it yesterday, how this was going to go down. I'm actually pretty pleased with it. She's lovely. Yay, everybody. I'm so relieved, and I hope you are too. And I'm just pulling it out a little bit so you can see the distance. Also, I know some people are concerned because of how large she is, but this is what I do. I have her rolled up at the bottom here. So see, that's the top. I started in the middle of her, and I have these small little clips, and I roll her up, and I just put these little clips on the end here to hold it. And yeah, like that. And then the cool thing is that you can turn this. Like if you don't have a lot of desk space or whatever, you can roll it. And then as I finish, I'll finish the top. I'll turn her upside down and I'll finish the top and get to here. And then what I'll do is I'll start rolling it outward, you know, with the drills facing out. And then I'll have this rolled like this still, and you can turn it sideways and work it. So anyway, I just thought I'd share that, and let's see what else. You know, the no static of the drills was great, and then I wanted to show you how I think they pulled this off was like airbrushing. And they have this technique over here as well. So it was basically like that, and it wasn't just the stark white, but they really did a good job. I'm pleased. I hope everybody else is, and I hope that it relieved any concerns you may have had or excited you to get yours. I think some people said they were getting one Thursday. I'm getting another one on Thursday. And so I'm relieved. Good job, Diamond Art Club. Good job. All right, you all, I hope you'll join me tomorrow. Come back, see what I'm working on. Will I be working on this? Will I be working on Dreaming of a Better Tomorrow? Will I be working on, what will I be working on? I don't know, whatever strikes my fancy. All right, you all have a good one. Thanks for joining me. Take care.